TradingView is an essential tool if you want to succeed in trading and investing. And in this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of the platform. The goal is to show you the essential features, explain why TradingView is a key tool for technical analysis, and also introduce some less well-known features that I personally use almost every day and that can clearly help you perform better in the markets. Before we go into detail, you should know that TradingView offers several subscription plans. There is a free plan, which is very interesting to get started. And then there are more advanced plans, which quickly become essential if you use the platform on a regular basis. If you decide to subscribe to TradingView, you'll find in the video description the affiliate link linked to the channel, which gives you $15 off your TradingView subscription. TradingView has become a completely indispensable tool, especially known for its technical analysis capabilities. Today, TradingView is clearly one of the most complete tools on the market. Its biggest advantage is that everything is centralized on a single platform. You can analyze cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, funds, futures, forex, bonds, options, and many other markets. No matter which market or pair you're looking for, you'll usually find it. And you can also create custom pairs, which is extremely useful. Another very useful feature is the creation of watchlists. For example, here on the right, I've created a list with the main cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities and metals, some currencies, and other charts like the VIX, the volatility index. I've also created much more detailed thematic lists. One list dedicated exclusively to cryptocurrencies. Another list for indices, including US, European, Asian, and some global indices. A stock list classified by continent, North America, Europe, and Asia. A commodities list separating metals, energy, and agricultural products. And also a forex list with major currencies, the dollar, the euro, the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar, and others. It may seem like a simple feature, but to stay well organized and save time on a daily basis, it's absolutely essential. Creating a watch list is very simple. You click here to create a new list, then on the plus button. For example, if you want to add Bitcoin, you simply type BTCUSD, choose the market you want, and click the plus button to add it to the list. On the chart itself, everything is customizable. You can add indicators. Depending on your subscription plan, you'll be able to add more or fewer indicators. For example, I use the Ichimoku indicator, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. And for those who've been following me for a while, you already know that I also like using the Gamma indicator. You can even create your own indicators, like the Dynamic Rainbow 50. This is one of the most powerful features of TradingView. Adding an indicator is very simple. You click at the top on the Indicators button. There are many available. You choose the one you want and apply it to the chart. You can also change time frames. You can analyze charts on monthly, yearly, quarterly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and many more. And if that's not enough, you can even create a custom time frame. Here, you can configure absolutely everything. This is one of TradingView's greatest strengths. You can customize everything. The appearance of candles, the background color, the style and color of indicators, the color and thickness of the lines you draw, everything is fully customizable. On the left side, you'll find all the drawing tools. Trend lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, parallel channels. You also have Fibonacci tools, Gann tools, chart patterns, Elliott waves, measurement and projection tools, and shapes like rectangles, squares, circles, curves, and many more. In short, everything is customizable and there's a huge number of features available. In a future video, I'll come back to this topic and show you in more detail how to perform advanced technical analysis, how to use indicators properly, how to create and customize alerts, and also how to connect your exchange or broker to TradingView to trade directly from the platform. As mentioned earlier, TradingView also offers other advanced features that are less well known but extremely useful. If you go to the Products tab at the top, you get direct access to supercharts and many other tools such as screeners. Here you can filter stocks, ETFs, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and much more. For example, you get an overview of the crypto market with a lot of information for each asset, and you can easily sort and rank the data. You also have heat maps for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. It's a very visual way to quickly assess the overall state of the market. Another extremely useful tool is the calendar. Personally, I use the economic calendar almost every day. Here you can see macroeconomic releases like employment data, inflation, and other important indicators. By default, you get data from almost every country, but you can also filter by specific countries or major global economies. You also have calendars for earnings, revenue, dividends, and something very interesting, the IPO calendar. This is especially useful to structure your week properly, especially at the beginning, and prepare your analysis more effectively. Inside the Products tab, you also have the News feed. This aggregates news from many different sources. You can filter by market, by country, or by asset type, such as only cryptocurrencies, only stocks, or only indices. This allows you to centralize information and stay up to date with the most important market news. To finish with features, TradingView also offers a portfolio tool that lets you track all your investments. And new features are added regularly, such as fundamental charts, which allow you to compare companies and analyze key data. There is also a community section, which is very interesting, where users can share analyses, follow other analysts, and access indicators and strategies created by the community itself. This gives you access to a huge variety of custom indicators built by other traders. To sum it up, TradingView is today an absolutely essential tool if you want to perform better in the markets in 2026. It's an extremely complete platform for technical analysis. Let me know in the comments what type of content you'd like to see first. Indicator tutorials, advanced analysis, or even how to create your own indicator from scratch. It may seem complex at first, but once you do it once, it becomes much easier, and it's a very valuable skill to improve your market analysis. If you want to try TradingView, I invite you to use the channel's affiliate link available in the video description. By using that link, you'll get $15 off your TradingView subscription. That's it for this TradingView tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. And I'll see you very soon.